Greetings and welcome to the next video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling the Hellcat. Alright, so here is the Hellcat that is the covered version, so you can purchase that. I went ahead and assembled that already because everything we learn in this video will be applied to both versions, whether you get the open top or covered version. The assembly process is the same. You just take your clippers and clip away like this. Okay, then continue the clipping process. And then, like this, and clip away the stuff. Clean that up a bit right there. There is a few more clips that need to be done. All right. There you go. There's the clipping for this tank. Now let's start the gluing process. So first up, let's just glue this turret piece together. So I'm just putting some glue down here and there. We will get this turret piece glued. All right, that looks like that's good. Just gonna take a little piece here and get that glue scraped away that was extra. While we're at it, let's go ahead and put some glue down here and here. Let's get this turret squared away. Let's get this turret glued. Essentially just try to get that in the center there. Achieve. So now you're gonna glue this together. So just put some glue there, and we're putting some glue on the sides here just for extra bonding. Just take and carefully line that front up like that. Oops. Check the back, make sure that's lining up. Check the front again, make sure. And the back again. That's good. While we're at it, let's go and take a dab of glue there and a dab of glue there. I don't have my tweezers with me currently, but I'm going to use these here. There you go. Do it like that. Now just some tracks. Put some glue there. There, of course. And then in between. And you want to use the tracks where the gear part goes in the front. Just try to get all those little axle pieces in the center, like I did there. The little axle pieces are going in the center of the track wheels. Done with the glue. Same for the other side, where the axle piece is just going in the center of these track wheels. And then, of course, test it on the table. There you have it, the Hellcat, both covered version and open top version, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.